New York is an equitable distribution state with a comprehensive statutory framework under the New York Domestic Relations Law. New York courts divide marital property acquired during the marriage, equitably between spouses. Separate property, premarital assets, gifts, and inheritances is generally excluded from equitable distribution. New York courts do not consider marital fault in property division, though egregious fault may be considered in extraordinary circumstances. New York's equitable distribution analysis uses a multi-factor approach considering the length of the marriage, age, and health of each spouse, contributions to the marriage, the career of the other spouse, and the economic circumstances of each party. For creditors, New York's marital property framework follows standard equitable distribution principles. One spouse's individual debt is not automatically the other's obligation. New York's homestead exemption varies by region. $89,975 in most counties, $179,950 in Nassau, Suffolk, Rockland, Westchester, Putnam, Orange, and Dutchess counties, and $179,905 in New York City's 5 boroughs. These are substantial exemptions in New York's high-cost housing market. Tenancy by the entirety. New York recognizes tenancy by the entirety for real property. Property held jointly by married couples as tenancy by the entirety is protected from the individual creditors of either spouse. New York is distinctive for its powerful post-judgment enforcement tools, including the information subpoena and restraining notice, which can be served directly on third parties by the judgment creditor's attorney without requiring sheriff intervention. This tool allows simultaneous bank restraint and information gathering in a single action. New York's wage garnishment. New York income executions are served first on the debtor, then on the employer. The withholding limit is the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings, or the amount exceeding 30 times the federal minimum wage. New York's concentration of financial services, legal, and professional employment creates strong wage garnishment opportunities for creditors with judgments against New York earners. People Locator Skip Tracing provides New York debtor investigation, current address, employer, bank relationships, and asset identification. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.